Hey everyone, today I will talk about how to start learning English in 2025. Okay, so this is very important topic here. So guys, without English learning, without any kind of type communication, we can't never travel or we can't never any kind of type do anything else. Okay, so first of all, in this lesson we will cover all the aspects how to start English learning in 2025. So before starting this lesson, if you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, I will talk about what's the important thing for English learning. Okay, so learning English is the most important skill here. So without if you have guys, without understanding any kind of type language, you never speak that language. Okay, so in this lesson I will talk about how to learn English. So English is a skill and English is also a language. Okay, so guys, without understanding, without any kind of type knowledge, you never speak, you never learn any kind of type language. Okay, so first of all I will talk about our first point, and you need to understand that is very important for learning English. Okay, so that is about knowledge or research. Okay, so first of all you gain knowledge or you do research on that language, whatever you learn. Okay, so guys, first of all you want to learn you want to learn English language. Okay, so first of all you do research on Google, on YouTube and other online platforms. Okay, so you do research. First of all you need to understand what's your benefit to learn any kind of type language like English. Okay, so first of all you need to understand benefits. Okay, so without any kind of type benefit, if you do anything else, if you learn anything, so I think that that is waste of time. So I think you don't do that. So you first of all you research benefits of that kind of type action or that kind of type learning English, learning language. Okay, so guys, this is our first important thing here. First of all you research on online platforms like Google. Okay, so second I talk about, if you want to speak, if you have decided English learning. Okay, so if you decide learning English, okay, so you want to speak and you want to learn English. Okay, this is you are decided. Okay, but after deciding this concept of for learning English, okay, so you first of all research on that language, important key factors like in our English language. Okay, so there are so many key factors for learning English like grammar, pronunciation or vocabulary words and other phrases also. Okay, so this is very important thing here. So first of all you need to understand before learning these kind of type key points like grammar, vocabulary words, pronunciation and phrases. Okay, so before learning these kind of type key points, you need to understand, you have to decide what kind of type pronunciation, what kind of type accents you want to speak. Okay, like you want to speak like Americans, you want to speak like a native speakers, and you want to speak like a Britishers. Okay, so first you need to decide what kind of type accent you want to speak. Okay, so this is our second most important thing here. Without decide any kind of type accent, okay, so if you learn anything, so I think that is waste of time. So you don't waste your time. Okay, so first you decide. Okay, like you want to speak native speaker or like Americans, like Britishers, like Australian English. Okay, so there are so many accents in our English language. Okay, so first you decide what kind of type accents you want to learn. Okay, so this is our second thing. Now I talk about our third thing. So you must remember these kind of type thing. Okay, so our third thing is related to your accent. Like I think you have decided what's accent you wanna learn. Okay, so you have decided. Now, now we talk about accent research. Accent research means like first of all, our first point was related to our ex benefits. What that kind of type language you wanna learn. Okay, so benefits. Now, second thing, second point is related to accent. Okay, so our third thing is related to accent. Accent means benefits of language, benefits of that kind of type accents you wanna learn. Okay, so guys, this is important thing here. So like there are no, that in that accent there are no any scope, no any benefit, no any kind of type income source, so or you wanna learn. So I think this is very very waste, very bad thing, or I think that is your waste of time. So you don't waste your time. So this is important thing here. So I think and you decide, and you must research on that kind of type accent you wanna learn benefits. Okay, so this is important thing here also. So this is about third thing, you research on accent benefits. Okay, so I think there are no people can you speak, that is important thing here, because they are and they are teaching only speak English, learn English, but there are no any kind of type specific field, or you wanna going on the other hand behind the other people. So this is very bad thing here. So first you decide what's the specific thing, what's the specific field. Okay, so this is important thing. So let's talk about fourth important thing. Fourth important thing is related to language. Okay guys, so if I talk about any kind of type language learning, okay, so guys, in language learning there are so many points like speaking, writing, listening, or so many things here. So guys, this is very complicated thing. So I think first you decide. Now you decide, you wanna speak, you wanna write, you wanna listen, you wanna bossing. So this is so many things here. So without decide any kind of specific thing, so this is so many complicated. So I think you don't do that. If you have any kind of doubt and then first you decide what's your requirement, what kind of requirement here. You wanna speak, you want to clear your interview, you wanna clear your exam, and you wanna clear your, and you wanna speak, you wanna listen. Okay, so you decide, first you decide. Then guide, I think I think there are fourth point. First, benefits of any kind of type language. Second thing is related to accent. You decide your accent, and then you research on accent benefits. And fourth, now what kind of type your requirement. Okay, now I think you have decided all these things. Now till now you already decided what's your requirement. Okay, so after all these things, you come to the main point. Like you want to speak. So guys, this is different topic. You want to speak any kind of type language like English. Okay, you want to speak. So guys, for speaking is a very simple concept learning. Like you want to speak, so you must listen podcast, English music, English both English movies, podcasts. Okay, you both all listen. I think our first key point is listen, and next after listen, that is pausing. Okay, so first you listen everything in English. In English. Okay, so this is very simple thing. Without listening, without observing power, you never speak English. Okay, this is very important thing basic, and no one can speak you without speak without listening. You can speak without listening, never possible speaking English. Okay, so you have to listen more and more things. Okay, so guys, you understand what's your need, what's you want, what you want. Okay, and if you wanna clear your exam, like writing, you wanna mm, learn writing English. Okay, so if you wanna write anything, so you have to learn, you have to read, more and more your examination books. Okay, your key key books. Okay, so you have to learn, you have to read more and more. Without reading, you never write English, or without listening, you never speak English. This is very important thing here. So guys, you understand what's your important, what is important thing here, what's your requirement. So if you like this video, so like, share the video, also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So see you in my next video very soon.